Same nung sinabi natin na we had in person. I hope the world becomes kind. I hope everything that happens to you, you'll slowly realize happens for a reason. And that slowly everything, I hope and pray, will fall into place for you in these mga days. Kasi may dami talaga makakakita, nakakaramdam na una-una sobrang genuine ng tao. Pinaghihirapan mo lang talaga lahat. And lahat ng kung ano mang yan nakukuha mo, deserve mo. And sana ma-realize din ng mga tao na tao ka din. You're just navigating this world the same time as everyone else. It's your first time living.
Parang illegal na nandito.
I hope everyone just becomes nicer to you. Kasi you really are trying your best. You're trying your best to really give your family what they need, to give yourself what you need and what you work hard for, and to give everyone watching you genuinely happy moments, yung lahat, basta lahat, pinatry mo ibigay sa lahat. Kaya, minsan, nauubos ka na din. So, I hope you leave some for yourself also in these coming years. And just take care of yourself. And alam nyo naman, lalo na pag nagtatrabaho yan, diyan kumakain. So, sana, mas maging healthy yung lifestyle mo this coming years. And I wish you the best.
Wala ka love you, Jen.
First of all, congratulations sa movie mo. Finally, MMFF, so proud of you. I saw a video from before TVC. Yung in-interview tayo kung ano yung goal mo this year, dream mo this year. You said you wanted to have a movie. You have it now. Congratulations. And I'm so proud of you. With everything that you're doing, everything, how you are, and lagi mong tinutulungan yung iba to be a better person. Sobrang, I've said this so many times, pero gabi yung hanga ko. I wish everyone had a round to girl up. Kasi sobrang nag-iba yung buhay ko ever since you came into life. And for the upcoming years, I hope na magkasama pa rin tayo. I hope na you'll get more of what you've been praying for. Kasi you deserve all of them. You deserve more than what you've been praying for. Kasi alam ko yung nakilala ko yung dreams mo, I've seen, nakita ko yung puso mo and everything, how passionate you are for everything. Kahit ang pagod ko na, every time na kukwento mo na, hindi mo pinapakita kapag pagod ko eh. Napapansin ko nila. But still, you don't complain. You never complain. You still always give your best. And I'm proud of this. For the upcoming years, always know na nandito ako for you. Always to the sidelines for you. Kasama ko si Mami Tits, sisigaw. Kaya ko sumigaw as loud as he can. Maybe, tatry ko na sigawan ko na mas malakas pa. Kasi, pwede mo akong asahan anytime. I'll always be here for you and no one I'll always take you. Lagi kang kasali sa tuyo.